Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about keeping your Telegram account secure by showing you exactly how to check every device that's signed into your account, and how to log out of any session you don't recognize or no longer use. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot login activity across all of your devices and instantly cut off access if you ever feel your privacy might be at risk. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why it's important to manage your active sessions. Every time you log into Telegram on a new phone, computer, or even different browsers, those devices can stay signed in sometimes for weeks or even months. If you've ever borrowed a laptop, signed in on a friend's device, or tried Telegram web in a library or cafe, those sessions might still be active. Even if you mostly use one device, it's good practice to check this list regularly, just to make sure you know exactly where your account is being accessed. This is a key step in keeping your private chats protected. So let's start by managing active sessions on your mobile phone. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, the process is almost identical. First, open up the Telegram app and tap your way to the Settings menu. If you've never poked around here before, no worries, you'll find it by tapping the gear icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once inside Settings, look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. You can think of this area as the central command center for your account's safety. Within Privacy and Security, scroll down until you see something called Active Sessions. On some versions, it might show up as Devices or Manage All Sessions. Don't worry if the terminology is slightly different, the feature works the same way. Once you tap into Active Sessions, you'll see a list of every device where your Telegram account is currently open. Each entry includes details like the type of device, its location, how long it's been active, and sometimes the operating system version. For example, you might see your iPhone listed, maybe a Windows desktop from your workplace, or even an unexpected device from a city you haven't visited. If you see any sessions you don't recognize, or if you just want to sign out everywhere except your current device, maybe you lost a phone or you're being extra cautious, look for the button that says Terminate All Other Sessions. Tap this, and Telegram will immediately log you out of every device except the one you're using right now. It's a super quick way to reset access in one go. Alternatively, maybe you spot just one device you don't trust anymore. Maybe it's a tablet you've given to someone else, but don't want them looking at your chats. Simply tap on that specific session and choose Terminate Session or Log Out. This will disconnect your account from that device within seconds. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the session to disappear from your list. Sometimes it takes an extra refresh, but the logout action happens instantly on the other end. Now let's talk about doing the same thing on your computer. Whether you use the Telegram desktop app or the web version, the process is just as straightforward. Open Telegram and look for the three horizontal lines. I like to call this the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Click that to open the main menu, then head over to Settings and from there into Privacy and Security. Just like on mobile, you'll see an option for active sessions or devices. Clicking here brings up the same list showing all current logins with details. You'll find buttons to terminate all other sessions, perfect for cleaning house in one click. Or if you prefer, you can review each device and select any suspicious session to end it individually. Worth noting, when you terminate a session remotely, Telegram will forcibly log that device out. If someone tries to re-access your account from that device, they'll have to go through the full login process again, including phone number verification and two-step password authentication if you've enabled it. This whole process is essential if you ever lose a device, spot weird activity, or just want peace of mind knowing your account isn't open somewhere you've forgotten. Take a few minutes to check your sessions every month. It's like changing the batteries in your smoke detector or resetting your home Wi-Fi password. Little steps like this go a long way to protecting your online life. Alright, that's all for today's guide on how to review and manage your active Telegram sessions. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest privacy tips. If you've got questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments. I always try to help out with advice or troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.